Hi, this is Shane with ADL, and I just want to introduce you to the Handy Board. This is really helpful for individuals trying to recover from a stroke where that arm, it just doesn't have the strength back, it doesn't have the tone back, and we need something to help encourage return of that stability in controlling some of that motion. In a previous video, I showed how to attach the hand to the board with the band. Now, once it's attached, we're ready to embark on some exercises. One of the first exercises is, depending on how that individual's recovery is going, they may just try to hold that hand in position, and once they release with the other hand, keep it from moving. Many times it might fall out to the side, and then they can bring it back, try to recenter it, and turn loose again. So that's one exercise that can be done. After that exercise gets easier, you can then introduce motion on purpose. So if they can control it flat, you might just introduce some forward and back motion that they now have to start to use their shoulder and other muscles to control. Forward and back would be one motion. You could go out, you can go in, or you could go through the letters of the alphabet and just have them trace through B, come back for C, and they're doing motion in a variety of directions with the alphabet, which would be a bit more challenging. Another variation is, most smartphones, you can get a level that is free, and you'll notice I have levels going both forward and back and left and right. So this will give some visual feedback for the exercise where we're trying to keep it flat. If I can see these levels are now in the center, I have not only the feedback from the position of my arm, but I can also see it through the levels. You can use the levels to also coach the left and right motion. So I'm looking at this level. As I go out, I can say, hey, touch that first bar in the level, and as you go in, touch that first bar. So again, you're grading and controlling that motion. The other direction could be back and then forward. So you're trying to stop. As soon as that level hits that first black line, you say, good job, now bring it back and control it the other direction. Because keep in mind, recovering from a stroke, it is strength, it's tone, but it's also control and coordination. So this can help with those different areas. Thanks for checking out the ADL Handy Board, and I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.